Welcome to the next session on ANSYS Workbench tutorials. In this session, we will see how to generate a 7-digit NACA airfoil. The 7-digit NACA airfoil are designed to maximize laminar flow, particularly on the lower surface, achieving lower pitching moments and moderate lift coefficients. So we will start by going to the internet, and here we will write airfoil plotter. We'll go to airfoil tools. We'll select airfoil plotter. Here we will search for the 7-digit NACA airfoil. So here we have 747A315. We will click on plot. Then we'll click on CSV file of coordinates and we'll open this Excel sheet. Here we have the X and the Y coordinates for the airfoil. So let's select all of them. We will select them and paste them on another Excel sheet. Also, we will write the Z coordinate in mm. This will be 0. So we will just drag this. Next, we will write here the position. This is 1 and 2, and then we will just drag it to find out the number of points, which are 51. And for position, I'll write 1, 1, and we'll drag this. Now we'll select all the points, copy them, and paste on a notepad. I have pasted here and I'll save this. So we have saved it. After closing this, we will go to ANSYS. We will select geometry option and double click. I'll right click here, new design modular geometry. Choose units as millimeter. Click on point. It is asking for the coordinate file. We'll select the coordinate file which we have saved. And then we'll click on generate. So you can see here the airfoil has been generated. Now I'll click on concept, 3D curve. Instead of from coordinate file, I'll select point selection. I'll select the points one by one. So once we have selected all the points, we'll click on apply and generate. Now 2 points are yet to be selected, so I'll go to concept, lines from points. I'll select both the points by pressing the control button, apply and generate. Then I'll go to concept, surfaces from edges. I'll select both the edges, apply and generate. So you can see here this is the airfoil. I just remove the points. This is in 2D form, so you can generate in this form, or if you want in 3D form, what you can do is you can click on extrude, select the surface body, apply, direction vector is the XY plane. You can give it some thickness, say 500 mm, and generate. So this is the airfoil in 3D form. Now whichever form you want, for analysis, be 2D or 3D. Accordingly, you can use this aerofoil. So here we have generated the NACA airfoil, which is of 7-digit type. So I'll just go to the line body, right click and suppress body. So this is the shape of the aerofoil. So with this, I end the session. I hope you have understood how to generate a 7-digit NACA airfoil. If you have any doubt, please write to me in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon for latest video updates. See you in the next session. Thank you.